So policy processing for our agency are tasks that involve processing the entire policy, primarily for the package, but at the new bind and at the proposal, we also will do auto and workers' comp as well. There's a cycle that policies will go through. It'll usually start with a proposal where the agent will meet with the prospect or get information by phone or whatever other methods are available for agents, and they'll put together a quote through Brotherhood, and they will send it into the policy processing team to request a formal proposal that's put together on our agency template, and we'll send that back to the agent or to the prospect depending on the agent's request. At the point where the prospect decides they want to bind insurance with our agency is when we start the new bind process, which has its own set of videos to explain it. From the new bind, policy will either go through an ARR cycle or a renewal cycle. ARR is short for annual rate revision. It's just kind of a review of the rates, making sure that it's keeping up to code with current state guidelines. They'll go through an ARR cycle twice if the policy is issued for 3 years. It'll go through a renewal cycle if it's issued just for 1. The auto and workers' comp are always going to be 1 year. The package is generally a 3-year policy unless it's very large or if it's in the state of Virginia, because the state of Virginia always has a 1-year policy. The first thing we'll get for a renewal is the renewal rate sheet, which is very similar to the ARR process, except we will get it roughly 6 weeks before the renewal, and we'll review the entire package policy and work with Steve, Henry, and other members of the team to review the policy and make any adjustments to coverage that are needed before the renewal. And then we will get the whole policy renewal. And that's when we'll update the applications in Epic. That's when we'll put together a coverage approval summary for the renewal and other paperwork that we send out specifically for renewals. And then we'll mail it to the insured. After the first renewal, the policy will pretty much continue in that same cycle. Some agents will request a renewal summary if they're going out for a renewal review, usually midterm when there's not an upcoming ARR or renewal.